Explode your YouTube growth with dark psychology, AI-powered content creation. Have you ever dreamt of going viral on YouTube and Instagram? Are you searching for an untapped niche with explosive growth potential? Look no further. This guide unveils the dark psychology niche, a treasure trove for content creators. We'll explore how to leverage AI tools to craft high-quality videos and dominate this emerging space before it becomes saturated. Unveiling the dark psychology niche. The dark psychology niche delves into the fascinating world of human behavior, specifically focusing on manipulation tactics and persuasion techniques. This captivating subject matter resonates deeply with viewers, attracting a large and engaged audience. As an example, we'll analyze a successful dark psychology channel boasting over 360,000 subscribers with only 47 videos. This demonstrates the immense potential within this niche. Step-by-step guide. Building your dark psychology channel. Now let's dive into the practical steps of establishing your own dark psychology channel. Branding your channel. Naming your channel. We'll utilize ChatGPT to generate catchy and relevant channel names. For instance, Mind Manipulation Insights effectively captures the essence of the niche. Crafting a logo and banner. Leonardo AI, a user-friendly art generation platform, will be our weapon of choice for creating a captivating logo and banner. Simply input a descriptive prompt and explore the various design options until you discover the perfect visual identity for your channel. Content creation with AI assistance. Scriptwriting, finding source material. Utilize Google to locate well-written articles on dark psychology topics. Content rephrasing. We'll employ ChatGPT's rephrasing capabilities to ensure our content is original and avoids copyright concerns. Simply copy the desired passage and request ChatGPT to rewrite it, eliminating any potential plagiarism issues. Voiceover production, selecting a voiceover tool. Alien Labs offers a diverse selection of AI voices. We recommend opting for a deeper voice to resonate with the subject matter. Generating voiceovers. Copy and paste your ChatGPT-generated script into Alien Labs, and within seconds, a professional-sounding voiceover will be ready to use. Finding background images. Image selection with Leonardo AI. Return to Leonardo AI to source captivating background visuals that complement your script. Experiment with different prompts until you discover images that perfectly depict the concepts of manipulation and dark psychology. Video editing with CapCut. Project setup. Download CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editing software. Begin by creating a new project, specifying a title, and selecting the appropriate video dimensions for YouTube Shorts, 9:16 ratio. Importing and arranging elements. Import all the voiceovers and images you've prepared. Drag and drop the voiceovers onto the timeline, followed by the corresponding images positioned on top. Adjust the image sizes to fit the video frame. Adding transitions and effects. CapCut offers a vast library of transitions and effects to enhance your video's visual appeal. Explore the transition and effects menus to discover options that seamlessly connect your images and add dynamism to your content. Captions and animations. Utilize CapCut's auto caption feature to generate captions for your video. Edit the text size, font, and style to ensure optimal readability. Consider incorporating text animations to further engage viewers. Background music. Pixabay provides a treasure trove of royalty-free music and sound effects. Select a background music track that complements your video's tone and mood, ensuring it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Publishing and optimization. Publishing and optimization. Exporting and uploading. Export your finished video from CapCut and upload it to your YouTube channel. Aim for consistency by uploading at least 4 videos per day to maintain audience engagement. Keyword research. A crucial yet often overlooked aspect of YouTube success is keyword optimization. Identify your competitors with high viewership and analyze the keywords they utilize in their videos. Integrate these relevant keywords into your own video titles, descriptions, and tags to boost discoverability. Secret weapon. Keyword research for maximum views. By harnessing the power of AI tools and strategic planning, you can establish a thriving dark psychology channel and carve your niche in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks to propel your YouTube.